many things online. I've been seeing many things online. But the actual truth which are going on now, if you feel that you will be spoiling my name or tarnishing my image just for you to have viewers online or for you to be paid on Facebook, I have this thing to tell you, be very careful. I will spend the last drop of my blood. I will spend the last copper I have to make sure I protect myself. You may make that money if you know all that money can actually, but you might not be alive to eat it. I will spend the last drop of my blood. I will spend the last copper I have to fight anybody that will tarnish my image. You might be feeling that you are making money, but I promise you one thing, you might not be allowed to eat the money.
C'est la même entreprise, c'est pas trois petites entreprises informatiques, vous avez des...
Tanja Iri Ji Festival there, man. Ezeobi. Honda Wadi Jaja. One, I didn't monetize any of my pages, so I don't even have that time. And if I had monetized my pages, I would still be making money from what I'm saying, my content, and there is absolutely nothing you will do. You say you will spend the last drop of your blood, right? Anyway, if you say your truth go enter this head, your head go enter this truth where we talk, you go really enter. Now, children, you go they confuse, you go they intimidate, you go they threaten. This one at the beginning, no. And no come they talk say, oh, now because I dey far, now I make a they talk to you. No, they come back very soon. No. You feel see me for Nigeria this week. You are likely to see me in Nigeria this week. So no go things how they come. Money, what you want to use your money do? Go pay people where they buy people like you. Or you go pay police, make they arrest person. I just say now waiting on that they use the intimidate people. Meanwhile, you see this Okongu case. We go for that until you open your mouth. That honor dakaga, you will open it. The same medium you used to tarnish the image of Okongu Dibia. You will still. I have nothing with Okongu Dibia. He doesn't know me. He doesn't even have my number. If he ever has my number, someone gave it to him. But you see this thing, you guys think you can wake up any day and do however you like, and after you say, oh, you get my quick money, you don't see shishi. If you get, I don't pay. I go make it. That for you, I'm going to make it every week. Also, yet then they let us hear what? Say go. This waiting you and James Brown did. Not be one picture. This one are two different pictures. Even the other picture, your prick stand. Why your prick they stand near that kind of person if you know the door? The other person see them before in shirt. No be one place. These are two different locations, and the guy wear two different attire that day, which means you don't see him since now. No be only one. If on the whole hand like this, in the deal like this, for the picture where we see, what you wanna go they do for where we know they. But now you still use that this person saying they do this one, they do that one. If Okon would Dibia take you up because you look and finish, it be like who know if you do anything. If Okon would Dibia and the friends contribute money now, I go give them lawyer. You go come Abuja Tire. You know that I go even use my platform help raise money for them. Small boy will just they come up now. You just want to tarnish the image. So if any person will help am now, I no go help. I go if he say if they do the same thing where you like it they do. Your prick stand there. True or false? Your prick no stand. Why the thing me I be man? Yeah, I know wetin I go do condition where I go there where my attention prick go show for agbada. You wear agbada. I sometimes, and if I no wash my underwear, I know they repeat underwear. I go wear trousers inside, wear pants. I no wear pants inside. I know what thing you go take for your prick to show inside pants, inside trouser. Can't join agbada. Guys, wanna watch the photo again? I go still post the photo, and somebody they hear tell me so I don't hear kepu say some boys where they come down your fake nonsense where they come shrine say now it say they knock them. Now I'm making an open request. If this banza don't call you for insurance, tell you say he go make you get money, but before you go get money, say he go knock you. I beg, reach out to me. I promise you complete protection. Nothing wey you go do first. Anyhow way you like am, like the quality of your life go reduce drastically. You no go ever know happiness. Reach out to me. We need to expose all these people. Come good the other time you say him na native doctor. I tell you say this one no be traditionalist. Anything. This thing when they do, na part of our tradition. If him be traditionalist, nothing should concern him and James Brown. If we no see them for the same place. So when did that one become our own tradition? When did that one become our tradition? Like I said, you must apologize to that boy. Use that same platform you used to falsely accuse him, or present the evidence. Present the evidence, or apologize to him, then I go leave you. If not, your case go dey my table. The moment where I land Abuja, you go see your banner. I go print your, like seriously, I go print your banner. Make we know that police wey you know. Police, now your father police have been Nigeria police force. Now your village police have been Nigeria police force. Okay, we go know the best way you know for police. And I guarantee you, any policeman where mistakenly pull hand for where you no supposed to put hand. Courtroom marshal there, or the orderly room. Orderly room marshal there, court marshal there. He go, if you no take time before December, you don't even come out for service, because now them they spoil the name of police. You, who you know? Who you know? Maybe they don't use money near some policemen. We will know they use money, they do our own. Now we be the responsible citizens, and you know no senior men we will know. Now one phone call here, then that policeman will come with you, then we will deal with you. Think say you big person. Now make you they do like say you get power, you get anything. See, many of these guys, that this Ezeobi, if they do that thing, if you notice, some boys go tell you say, oh, all those ones where they knack, now society, now money then they use and do, and then they use and they renew juju. You know get any juju where they use and renew. These ones, they know say most of those boys they spirits. They will come call you, tell you say they knack you, this and that. So when they begin knack the person, they will begin they give them money like girlfriend. Or if they see any business where the person keep you, they go just call person for back, say call this person. Then they will call you, think say na miracle, na them then. Ndoshi. See your brick they stand in the Ghana. How many places? 2 different attires now the guy wear, and you wear 2 different attires. So you say no be one, so I don't see. No be like say you just jam me. You feel don't knack out. Yes, there is a possibility that you are nothing. Go prepare yourself. Oh, they come Nigeria very soon. No go think say are they far they talk. I go, and if now for Abuja self you go hear the name. No apologize to them. See what I go do you. Eat. Mwabanza.